basong ito ay naglalaman ng halos 200 taong pakikipagsapalaran. Mula sa munting negosyong nilalako sa daan, lumakas at napamahal sa manggagawang Pilipino. Naging karamay sa hirap at ginhawa, kasiyahan sa mga tagumpay sa bawat araw. Kaya mula ngayon, bilang parangal po sa produktong ito, ang aming kumpanya ay tatawaging Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated. Landing gawang ko po, taga-barangay Ginebra.
Any story about the Sinson Lascano Group should begin with Romy Sinson and his decades-long love affair with the bottle. It all began when he created the unforgettable Ito Ang Beer campaign for PAC.
Ito ang beer.
Ito ang beer.
Ito ang beer.
Ito ang beer. Ito ang beer.
Pag nagkakasayahan, ito ang naiibigan. Inumin kay sarap, ligaya ng lahat. San Miguel Beer, ito ang beer, nagkait ang lahat. Ito ang beer, oh anong sarap. Mag-beer muna tayo, mag-beer muna tayo. San Miguel Beer, mag-beer muna tayo. San Miguel Beer, nagkaisa. Mag-beer muna tayo, San Miguel Beer, ito ang beer. Oh, mag-beer muna tayo. San Miguel Beer, ito ang beer. Yeah!
San Miguel Beer, which had monopolized the market since the 1800s, was faced by competition for the first time in history.
Ayan, draft beer! Waiter, isang order ng inyo na pusit. Ano? Ang kasabay na San Miguel Beer, 2 platong kalderetang manghang.
No way, baby. Beer at 3 bandihadong crispy pata.
Yan, kaldereta!
Crispy pata.
Pusit!
Crispy pata.
Kaldereta!
Lahat yan ay masarap pa sa San Miguel Beer. Bigyan mo kami ng isang platitong mani.
Laka! Ha?
San Miguel Beer, ito ang beer.
With its clever use of humor and our own innate spirit of camaraderie, Romy's campaign captured the hearts of Filipino drinkers, as well as their much-coveted loyalty. Soon, Manila Beer was history. 1985 was a year of economic and political turmoil in the country. The same held true for PAC, since they lost the San Miguel Beer account. The Christmas commercial you're about to see was Romy's last for San Miguel Beer, which captures so eloquently the bittersweet yet hopeful feelings of that memorable season.
Pasko ay narito na, lahat may ngiti at saya. Sa ating munting makakaya, tuloy ang ligaya. Tuloy ang Noche Buena, tuloy ang simbang gabi. Tuloy ang aginaldo, karuling at pagmamano. Tuloy ang Pasko, Paskong hinihintay. Tuloy ang ligaya, tuloy ang San Miguel Beer. Tuloy ang Pasko, Paskong hinihintay. Tuloy ang ligaya, tuloy ang San Miguel Beer.
The timeliness of the simple yet emotion-filled jingle could apply even today, 14 years later. Gold Eagle Beer, San Miguel's new price brand, became Romy Enrico's new baby. The task of launching and sustaining the brand resulted in its early and rapid success.
Makapal! He! Manipis!
Teka. Boss, ikaw na kaya ang tumira, ha?
Okay, uno sa side pocket, 2 sa corner.
Jumbo.
3-4 sa kaliwa.
Uy.
7-8 sa right corner. Ang galing mo, pare.
Pinahanga mo kami?
O, itong Gold Eagle.
Para sa'yo, pare ko, Gold Eagle Beer. Para sa'yo, ang sarap, Gold Eagle Beer. Sa bigel, nasa Gold Eagle. Gold Eagle Beer. Para sa'yo, pare ko, Gold Eagle Beer.
O sige, itong spot mo. Abangan mo sa right corner pocket, sumakay ka pa. Tisa muna, tisa.
Gold Eagle Beer.
Basing their approach on sound strategic thinking and knowledge of the market, arguably their most triumphant campaign for Gold Eagle was the Ang Beer na May Pangalan, harping on the beer's Tatak San Miguel.
Anong pangalan mo? Sino ka? Pare ko. Sa barkadahan, yan ang unang inaalala. Ganyan kahalaga ang iba'y pangalan. Diyan kanila pagkakatiwalaan. Sa pangalan diyan panalo ang Gold Eagle Beer. Pare ko, alam mo ang pinanggalingan. Tatak San Miguel ang nakataya dyan. May pangalan to, pare ko. San Miguel na nasa Gold Eagle. May pangalan to, pare ko. San Miguel na nasa Gold Eagle. May pangalan to, pare ko. Gold Eagle para sa'yo, pare ko. Tagumpay kaibigan, kasama ang team na may pangalan. Gold Eagle Beer, ang sarap ng may pangalan.
A year into Gold Eagle's launch, another chapter in the SLG story began.
Kay tagal ko rin nawala, naglagalag, naghampas lupa. Ganito pa rin dito, halos walang nagbago. Naririto pa rin sila, mga dati kong kasangga. Kumusta na, kumusta ka? Ganon pa rin, dati pa rin. Tama ang sabi mo noon, isang araw uwi ka. Ihatid ka ng iyong pa, upang muli tayong magkasama. Mahirap man ang buhay, basta tayo'y magkasangga. Masaya pa rin kahit paano, lalo na ngayong Pasko. Sagot mo sa sagot kanya, ikaw at Ginebra.
Ginebra San Miguel.
Magkasangga.
In a major bid, pitted against advertising's most formidable minds, Mr. Sinson and Mr. Lascano won the Ginebra San Miguel account. As the archives of Ginebra San Miguel will attest, they took the product's advertising and turned into a real brand. The brand of pride for the working man. His just reward for a hard day's work. The Sinson Lascano Group was officially formed in 1992. Its first account was, appropriately enough, Ginebra San Miguel. As most of you are probably aware, SLG delivers all the strategizing and creative work that has bagged the team many award-winning commercials, and, more importantly, has resulted in sales-generating advertising.
Hey amigos, una botella de tequila mexicana.
Bloody crazy, that's obviously Scotch whiskey.
No! Chinese sake!
Tequila, hombre!
Я посмотрю, это русский водка!
Alay, sabi na nga guys, saan ka mapapuntahan niyo, bro?
SLG's most recent brainchild, the Barangay Ginebra campaign, has taken Ginebra San Miguel to new heights. Barangay Ginebra has come a long way from being the inumin ng tunay na lalaki to becoming a catchphrase, a badge, an icon, a symbol of belongingness, a sense of community, brotherhood, and kinship among Filipinos, regardless of status, sex, or gender. After all,
Barangay Ginebra.
taga rito ka.
Sa aming barangay, tuloy po kayo. Barangay ng mararangal na tao. Kami masikap, kami matyaga. Trabaho mahirap, balewala. Ang barangay ay umaasenso. Gamit ang bisig, isip at talino. Bawat munting tagumpay at ligaya. Laging kasama ang Ginebra. Pagbigyan niyo na kami. Paminsan-minsan lang ito. Gumaan ang nag-ibig at ang puso. Okay, ganda ng pakikisama. Walang iwanan sa hirap at ginhawa. Bawat munting tagumpay at ligaya. Nagsasaya Barangay Ginebra.
So, if you're still asking yourselves,
What is SLG?
Ito ang simula ng kaginaginalas na pakikipagsapalaran.
SLG. S is for Santos. L is for love. G is for ten. That is SLG. Ten. SLG, it's you and me, it's unity.
Patok na patok sa nakararami.
SLG, wow, galing!
we'll let our work speak for us. After all, if a manufacturer is known for the products he makes, an agency can only be as good as its creative thinking and its creative output.
SLG, yan ang ahensyang flawless.